Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to open and close posting period. In this customizing activity, you can specify for each variant which posting periods are open for posting. For this, you can choose between period intervals 1 to 3. So let's try to configure open and close posting period. I'll go through the configuration path. For this configuration, you can also use the transaction code OB52. I'll be going through the SAP path here, SIMG, then financial accounting here, financial accounting global settings, then go to ledgers here, then fiscal year and posting periods, then go to the posting periods here and open and close posting periods. Enter your posting period variant here. I have already created mine 7075. Then after you need to click on new entries here, and I have already created this logic in the Excel, so I need to copy from here and I'll paste it here. If you want to get the details of this plus a dk, then you need to click on the search bar here. You can see the details over here. Plus sign is valid for all account types. A for assets, D for customer, K for vendors, M for materials, S for GL's account. Close it. I have updated here the masking account. Then after you need to press save here. Click on continue with this TR. Now you can see your details has been saved. So by this way you can open and close, maintain data for open and close posting period. Now you can see I have opened from period 1 to 12 for this posting period, and fiscal year is 2025. Here you can maintain the authorization group here also, and up to 3 level you can maintain the posting period in SAP S4HANA. You can see here 1 and 2 and 3. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.